Hi guys, samahan niyo ako magluto ng aming ulam. Ito ay ginisang gulay, pakbet. Ayan, gisa lang natin siya guys. Wala akong nilagay na kahit anong kundi seasoning powder at yung kamatis, sibuyas, bawang. And then add some half glass of water. Then boil it until malambot na siya yung gulay. And then, okay na yan guys. Kasi hindi na ako nagsasahog dahil meron naman akong pritong isda o yung daing na bangus. So, palambutin lang natin siya. And then, ayan na yung aking daing na bangus. So, minarinated ko siya ng 5 minutes with suka and bawang, pepper powder, then a little bit of salt. Then, i-fry na natin siya until maging a little bit toasted. Ayan. So, that's all. My simple food for today. Thank you for support and watching. God bless.